Hello everyone, I'm Savit from Kaya Academy, and today I'm going to talk about how to use Boomerang to keep Instagram fans coming back. One of the most popular applications of recent times is Boomerang. What is Boomerang? The application where I second animated videos. Can I share it on Instagram? And how to use Boomerang? Boomerang is an app that helps you engage your Instagram followers. And it takes a burst of photos and creates a looping backward and forward video clip from them. An action such as twirling a pencil or blowing a bubble becomes more exciting when played in a loop. And after you download the Instagram, just follow the steps to use it. At first, open Instagram stories by swiping right or using the camera icon at the top of the news feed. And from there, you're just gonna see the icons just in the middle of the screen, and from there you can just see the boomerang and just tap boomerang from there, and that's it. So to switch from forward facing video mode to selfie video mode and back, tap the arrows to the right of the white circle. Also, you can use Boomerang with one of the face filters. We can just choose a filter from there, just like that. And tap the white circle with the Boomerang logo. And you don't need to hold down the white button as you would for video. The app is actually taking several pictures in a rapid burst. So I'll just make a boomerang now. Just like that. And if you're not satisfied with your boomerang and want to try again, tap X at the top left and repeat starting step 3. And share the Boomerang story by tapping your story, save it by tapping save, or send it as a DM by tapping next, selecting the recipients, and tapping send. Boomerang works best when recording movement. To try it out, film someone doing a cartwheel, making funny faces in the camera, or dancing. So that's it. I think that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.